Hey everyone, this is Matt from Parent Presence. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this portable cocktail shaker set. I'm going to be going through what comes with it and ultimately help you decide whether or not you want to buy it. So these are all the products here I have right in front of me. This is the case that it comes in. The case also has a strap as well, which is nice so you can take it on the go. First things first, we have the actual cocktail shaker. If you want to be like a bartender making your margaritas. So we have the top where you can strain it out, just like they do. And then you can unscrew this part as well and actually fill it up. You will see also on this side, there are some milliliters in there, which is nice. So it goes 180 milliliters to 30 milliliters. So if you're looking for a precise pour, it's nice that they have that in there. As well. It also comes with this nice little case on it too. You can slide this out though if you want. You also have the jigger. So if you're looking to pour some shots, looking to pour alcohol, you have 2 ounces on this side, 1 ounce on this side. It's also, some different ounces on the inside. So depending on how big your pour you want, it's nice that they have all this precision on here. So if you need to pour a certain amount, you're able to do that. We have the bar spoon. If you're looking to shake some things up, a little mixing, that's good for that. We have the muddler for if you need to crush some things up, either side. This side's got some spikes on it, which is cool. If you're really looking to crush like lemon or something, I think that'd be good for that. And then we have the cocktail picks. So 4 cocktail picks right here as well. All this fits into the case. So let's put this back in. Yeah, overall, a good set. You'll need to have your own margarita glasses, though, to make those margaritas or whatever else you're looking to make. But fun to take on the road. I think if you're going, say, camping, or if you're going, to a friend's house, you want to spice things up, have your own little margarita set, margarita or other cocktails, something to make. Case just like that. Throw it over your shoulder. Bring it to some friend's house. Overall, that's a cool set. Company did send us this product to get, but that was my honest thoughts about it. That's what you're going to get.